Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to install CM11 on your GT-S7392. So let's start. First of all, you need a phone of Samsung Galaxy Trend. You can see here. Okay, so you need to install the CWM recovery or TWRP recovery on your mobile. Okay friends, so now what you have to do is that go to the recovery mode. You can see here the CWM recovery. Okay, see here. Now just click on wipe data factory reset. Wipe all user data. Click on yes. So it will be format. Okay friends, so it is formatted now. Now go to install zip. Click on it and now go to SD card 1. Okay, wait friends. Go to Cyanogen room. I have saved here. Okay, now you can see here. Click on CM11. Yes, click on that. And just you can see here friends. It is now installing. So friends, you can see here it is installing the zip. So friends, the installation is completed. Now you have to install the gaps. Okay. I'm going to Cyanogen mode room. Okay. Now just click on KitKat gaps. You have to download these. Okay friends. And just click on install gaps. So it will be getting installed. Okay, it is installation complete. So go back now. Now go back and just reboot your system. Okay, it is getting rebooting now, and as you can see here, you can see here the Cyanogen mode logo. And you can see here it is getting loading now. Now friends, you have to do the setup. Okay. am from India, so I am doing it India. Click on next. Okay, skip. Click on next. Okay, finish. And your phone is now ready. Okay, friends, you can see here the Play Store. You can see here Play Store. The Play Store is also getting installed. You can see here. You go to setting. You go to about phone. You can see KitKat version. Android version is KitKat. Okay. So friends, you can see here. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel.